Welcome to the second video of the module 2 vector calculus. In this video I am going to explain the problems on the vector calculus. First problem, find the directional derivative of phi of xyz is equal to 2xy plus 3y square minus z cube at the point p of 1, minus 1, 2 in the direction of the vector v is equal to I minus j plus k. First we find the grad phi, that is given by the formula grad phi is equal to dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou z k. So that is given by 2yi plus 6yj plus minus 3z square k. This is evaluated at the point 1, minus 1, 2, which gives grad phi at the point 1, minus 1, 2 is given by minus 2i minus 6y 6j minus 12k. Here y should not be there. The unit vector in the direction of v is given by I minus j plus k divided by root 3. So v divided by root 3 where v was this. Thus directional dv of phi, that is grad phi dot v, is given by minus 2i minus 6j minus 12k. Here I should not be there, into I minus j plus k divided by root 3. Therefore, which gives us minus 2 plus 6 minus 12 divided by root 3. That is given by minus of 8 by 3. Next problem. Find the angle between the normals to the surface xy is equal to z square at the points 4, 1, 2 and 3, 3 minus 3. Let us consider the phi as a surface is equal to xy minus z square, and we know that del phi is the vector normal to the surface. So del phi formula is given by dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou z k, and at the first point, that is 4, 1, 2 is given by I plus 4j minus 4k. That is, when we differentiate this with respect to x, with respect to y and with respect to z, what we will be getting is, see dou phi by dou x if I do, see dou phi by dou x if I do, it will be 1, and dou phi by dou y if I do, it will be dou phi by dou x will be y, and dou phi by dou y will be x, and dou phi by dou z will be minus of 2z. So when we substitute here and then put the points as 1, 2, 4, 1 and then 2, we are getting the first vector as this. Then the second one at the point 3, minus 3, if we do, we will be getting 3i plus 3j plus 6k, which is equal to 3 times of I plus j plus 2k. Let us call this as B and the first vector as, say, A. Now we'll find out the angle, that the theta be the angle between the two vectors, say A and B. Then we have the formula cos theta is equal to del phi 1 dot del phi 2 divided by del phi 1 mod into del phi 2 mod. So cos theta is given by a dot product if we take between the del phi 1 and del phi 2, we get 3 times of 1 plus 4 minus 8 divided by root of 1 plus 16 plus 16 into root of 3 square into 1 plus 1 plus 4, which on simplification, the numerator we will get it as minus 3 divided by the denominator root 33 into root 6. Or on simplification, this root 33 can be also written as root of 3 into 11, and this root of 6 can be written as root of 3 into 2. So in the denominator we have 2 times root 3 and root 3, that will get cancelled with the numerator 3, and here we have left with root of 11 into 2, that gives us root of 22. Therefore cos theta is equal to minus 1 upon root of 22, or this theta can be also written as pi plus or minus cos inverse of 1 upon root 22. Next problem. Find the value of constants a and b such that the surface ax square plus minus byz is equal to a plus 2 of x and 4x square y plus z square is equal to 4 are orthogonal at the point 1, minus 1, 2. So first we have to ensure that the given point lies on both the surfaces. So when we substitute 1, minus 1, 2 onto the equation ax square minus byz is equal to a plus 2 of x, we obtain a plus 2b in the left hand side and in the right hand side a plus 2. So cancelling this a and a, we get 2b is equal to 2 or b is equal to 1. In order to find the value of a, we have to use the orthogonality condition that del phi 1 dot del phi 2 is equal to 0. So phi 1 is given by ax squared minus byz minus a plus 2 of x, and phi 2 is given by 4x square y plus z cube. These are the phi 1 and phi 2. So del phi 1 is given by 2ax minus a plus 2 of I plus minus bz of j plus minus by of k, and del phi 2 is given by 8xyi plus 4x square j plus 3z square k. Now let us find out at the particular point, say 1, minus 1, 2, that gives us for the first one, that is a minus 2 of I minus 2bj plus bk. The second one, del phi 2 at the point will be given as minus 8i plus 4j plus 12k. Now this del phi 1 dot del phi 2 is equal to 0, which gives us on taking the dot product of the two, we get 8 times of a minus 2 minus 8b plus 12b is equal to 0, or minus 8a plus 4b plus 16 is 0, but b is equal to 1, since therefore a will be equals to 5 by 2. Thus the values of a and b are given by a equals to 5 by 2 and b is equal to 1. These are the required values of a and b. Next problem, find div f and curl f where f is given as grad of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus of 3xyz. So let us consider phi is equal to this, and they have given f is nothing but grad phi, where grad phi formula is given by del phi, that is equal to dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou zk. Therefore f is equal to 3x square minus 3yz, that is by taking dou phi by dou x we get 3x square minus 3yz, and dou phi by dou y is given by 3y squared minus 3xz, and dou phi by dou z is given by 3z square minus 3xy of k. Therefore div f is equal to del dot of f. Let us take the dot product of del and f. So dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk is multiplied with dot product of f, that is 3x squared minus 3yz of I plus 3y square minus 3xzj plus 3z square minus 3xy of k. That gives us dou by dou x of 3x square minus 3yz, dou by dou y of 3y square minus 3xz, and dou by dou z of 3z square minus 3xy. Therefore, the du f is given by 6x plus 6y plus 6z. That is 6 times of x plus y plus z. This is given by du f. Now, next we will find out what is curl f. So, the curl f is given by the formula, the determinant where the first row is ijk, second row is dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z. The third row is the components of ijk. So, when we do the determinant, what do we get here is I times of dou by dou y of 3z square minus 3xy minus dou by dou z of 3y square minus 3xz minus j times of dou by dou x of 3z square minus 3xy and dou by dou z of 3x squared minus 3yz and plus k times of dou by dou x of 3y square minus 3xz and minus dou by dou y of 3x squared minus 3yz. That on simplification we get I times of minus 3x minus 3x minus j times of minus 3y minus of minus 3y plus k times of minus 3z minus of minus 3z. Here also it should be minus. So what happens is every term will become 0. Hence the curl of f will be 0 and du of f is 6x plus 6y plus 6z. That is the answer for curl and du respectively. Next problem. If f is equal to del of x y square x y cube z square, then find du f and curl f at the point 1 minus 1 1. So let us consider phi as x y cube z square and grad phi formula we will consider, that is given by y cube z square, that is dou phi by dou x and dou phi by dou y, dou phi by dou z. If we determine, we get y cube z square I plus 3xy square z square j plus 2xy cube z k. So du f is equal to del dot of f. Therefore, dou by dou x I plus dou by dou y j plus dou by dou z k of the f component has been written. Next, let us find the value of that. That gives us dou by dou x of y cube z square plus dou by dou y of 3xy square z square plus dou by dou z of 2xy cube z, which gives 0 plus, because dou by dou x of, there is no x term here, hence it will become 0. And the next term will be 6xy z square and plus 2xy cube. By taking 2xy outside, 3z square plus y square. And they have also given to find out at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1, on substitution we get minus 2 of 3 plus 1, which is minus 8. Hence next is the curl f. Curl f, we will consider the formula of the determinant where first row is ijk, second row is dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z, and the third row is the components of f. Now on simplification of the determinant, we get I times of 6x y square minus z y square z minus 6x y square z. Same terms we will be getting, minus j times of 2y cube z minus 2y cube z plus k times, if you take this one, k times, here also one more term is there, that is 3y square z square. Here also we get the same term. Therefore, the curl f, here all the terms gets cancelled for I, j as well as k. Therefore, the curl f will be equal to 0 and du f will be equal to minus of 8. Thank you.